Welcome to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade. And now, our project lead, the brilliant, Peter Parker.
It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate, and they're consuming everything in their path. Might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone.
Let's like connect.
Are we supposed to get a gun?
No, it's your hands.
Enjoy your ride until
I'm glad to see you guys. Actually, big problem. Right?
Silver trash.
That was close. We did it!
Oh shit, what happened?
I don't know.
Come back. Let's go, gold.
really suck out, so you're downgrading that level to don't tell Tony.
There's a chance you can't rescue Spider-Man.
That'd be funny. What if we just didn't?
They have different point values. Oh, the green ones are 6,000.
Maybe the yellow, the gold ones.
Or I can't tell the color.
Yellow, red, green.
I still think it's like if you're in a vicinity, it locks to it.
Yeah.
If you shoot or something.
Cool. See you later.
We ended. Our team score was 850K. Dang. What was your individual? He got 270. I got like 220. Jared got like 250. We both got like 180. I got 170. You got 190. Wait, just now we're sixth place. Dang. Jake, you're too good at this game.
Pay to win who?
Yeah.
Free to play warriors. Free to play kings.
Yeah, we're going to Was that 101? Today?
Are we ordering online?
Yeah. Wait, what's the place called though?
Cochina.
Cochina? Cucamonga? Oh, they have Birria Tacos.
Yo, it's Ant-Man or the Wasp or someone.
Wait, where? Oh. We can wait for them at the exit, right? Yeah, aren't we waiting to with them?
Yeah, but they ordered for 12.
Oh wait, they ordered for 12?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Oh my god, so cold.
I mean, I kind of just want to stand in here.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true. No, that's true.
Oh, they have Boudin. Oh, it's Boudin?
Check it out, boy.
Oh, let's get a table. Right there. There's so many ducks. What? Look at all those chickens.
Imagine how long they have to have been here to be like docile towards people.
Yeah, I wonder.
Amount of oil?
Mad for today.
Are the river rapids open?
Yeah, they are.
Did you see it too?
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Yeah, it's
Hey.
really cool.
Did you get your order thing?
No, we're gonna get it later.
Oh.
My big gummy.
That one's so good. I think that's what is that?
My bitch got me a wallet hat from Disneyland.
Birria tacos. Birria. You dip it into it. What are you getting, Jared?
I don't know if I want one. I could probably shit on one.
No, I do want one, but I'm gonna shit it out, yeah.
I didn't say shit. I said shit. I'm like,
Jared, oh, Mir was. Oh wait, this is like San Francisco.
I don't know what's happening.
Wait, is Jared Alley from San Francisco?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
What is it? Oh, I mentioned shit.
Oh, that's the original?
I think so. I could be wrong.
The berry chill sounds kind of yummy.